Amid a wave of digitalization, industrial automation is reshaping the world. As a pioneer in this transformation, GSS is at the forefront of intelligent filling and industrial digitalization, powered by its expertise in industrial digital weighing automation. Founded in Taiwan, China in 1992, GSS established a comprehensive base in Suzhou in 2003, integrating R&D, production, sales, and after-sales service. Over the years, GSS Scale Suzhou Company Limited has been recognized as a national high-tech enterprise and has achieved ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, securing a strong presence and a solid reputation in industries such as electronic chemicals, bulk chemicals, fine chemicals, food flavors, and pharmaceutical chemicals. Dedicated to the production of high-quality filling machines, GSS offers a wide range of solutions to meet diverse filling needs for packaging containers of all sizes. From 1 kg to 1,500 kg of liquid materials, we deliver comprehensive smart filling solutions for entire plants. Backed by decades of technical expertise, we have overcome key challenges in the chemical industry, such as spills, leaks, drips, and seepage, ensuring every filling process is safe, efficient, precise, and reliable. In terms of R&D capabilities, GSS brings together a team of senior engineers, many of whom have over 20 years of industry experience. Driven by innovation, the team has secured over 40 patents related to filling technologies. To reinforce its strategic positioning, GSS founded GSS Intelligent Technology, focusing on the research, development, and customization of intelligent filling solutions that deliver efficient, smart, and eco-friendly systems tailored to customer needs. With over 3 decades of craftsmanship and expertise, GSS has built a complete industrial chain covering R&D, production, sales, and service. By upholding the highest standards of quality, professional service capabilities, and an unwavering spirit of innovation, we have earned wide acclaim and deep trust from customers across China, as well as Southeast Asia, Europe, the Middle East, and beyond. Today, GSS has become the trusted partner of more than 2,000 renowned enterprises worldwide. Guided by its core philosophy of being a great solution supplier, GSS places customer needs at the heart of its growth, striving to deliver tailored solutions that go beyond expectations. Looking ahead, GSS will remain committed to industrial digital weighing automation, continuously innovating, optimizing services, and deepening collaboration. By strengthening ties across the industrial ecosystem, we are determined to create great value for every customer and to work hand in hand in advancing the thriving growth of a new era of intelligence.
当下行业变革风起云涌，挑战与机遇并存，但我坚信，凭借我们团队的创新思维、拼搏精神与高效执行力，定能把握新机遇。未来我们将持续加大研发投入，深耕核心业务，拓展多元市场，以品质为基石，以客户需求为导向，全力打造行业领军品牌，向着更广阔的天地奋勇迈进，续写企业新的辉煌篇章。